Welcome again to Forex Trading Strategies. Remember to hit the like button to get this video in front of many other people. Go through the channel for Forex Trading Strategies videos. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed in order to be notified of future videos when we upload. Don't be like those people who just come and watch a single video and leave without liking or subscribing, which means they cannot see future videos. Seriously, liking, subscribing and leaving a comment on the video does not take 3 minutes out of your day. So go ahead, like the video, share it, comment and subscribe. It will motivate me into making more videos for you. Also visit the blog, the link is in the description, to download Forex Trading Strategies, Forex Robots, Forex Indicators, Forex Tools etc. Before we get into today's video, some legal stuff. Please note that I am not a financial advisor and that all the content posted on this channel does not constitute financial advice. If you need the services of a registered professional financial advisor, I recommend you look for a person like that in your town. In simple English, all the information posted on this channel is my own opinion. Use the information posted on this channel at your own risk. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about the topic of today. It's about the 16 powerful positive affirmations I use in my daily trading and which I believe are useful for traders. What are positive affirmations? Daily positive affirmations are short statements that help you become the trader and person you want to be. Affirmations are a powerful tool that's used by successful people in business, pro sports and many other professions. This video will teach you empowering positive trading affirmations. You will also learn how to use them to get the best possible results. How affirmations work. Affirmations are conscious phrases that gradually overwrite your subconscious programming. There are many external influences that have contributed to your positive and negative subconscious programming. As a result of these influences, there are things that you have been telling yourself over and over for years. These statements get deeply ingrained in your subconscious and become part of your identity and reality. There are many external influences that have contributed to your positive and negative subconscious programming. As a result of these influences, there are things that you have been telling yourself over and over for years. These statements get deeply ingrained in your subconscious and become part of your identity and reality. So here are the 16 daily affirmations. 1. I am a successful trader. If you repeat to yourself every day that you are a successful trader, it will make you a lot more likely to do the things that are necessary to become one. If you do not believe you are a successful trader, you will never become one. As with anything else in life, you have to believe in your cause or goal before you can make it a reality. 2. I am consistently following my trading plan. You need to approach Forex trading as a business and be strategic and logical in following your trading plan. Don't deviate. If you've taken the time to formulate a comprehensive trading plan based on your trading strategy, your trading will be the most effective when you follow your plan, since you were objective and clear-minded when creating it. 3. I have a Forex trading journal, and I use it. If you have a Forex trading journal and you actually use it, you will be far ahead of most traders. It's critical to keep a running track record of your trading performance so that you have a tangible piece of evidence that reflects your trading ability or lack thereof. A trading journal will also give you something to stay accountable to and help you remain disciplined and organized. 4. I practice proper risk management. It's important to remember that trading success is defined over a large series of trades, not over one or two. This means that you should not give too much significance to any one trade, and the way to do this is by never risking more than you are comfortable with losing per trade. By that I mean, never risk an amount that keeps you up at night thinking about or watching your trades. Remember to take small losses and that you are going to have losing trades. It's just part of doing business in the Forex market. 5. I trade according to what the market is doing, not what I think it should be doing. We want to trade what we actually see on our Forex price charts, not what we think should happen or what we want to happen. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you want the market to do, it's going to do what it wants, so your job is to learn how to read its price action and take advantage of it, not fight against it. 6. I will only take trades that give me a reward which clearly outweighs my risk. The goal of any trader or investor is to make sure that the prospective reward of a trade clearly outweighs the risk involved. You need to gauge the market structure prior to entering a trade and make sure there is a logical reason for expecting that the risk-reward on the trade is at least 1.5 or 1.2 or better. 7. I will find other things to do besides watching my trades after they are live. There's nothing wrong with checking in on the market every 4 or 8 hours, but if you are sitting there addicted to your charts like a junkie, you are going to self-sabotage your own trades and probably end up losing a lot of money in the process. We have to learn to let the market do the work and just forget about our trades for a while after they are live. The set and forget Forex trading strategy is something that I stand by and that I implement in my own personal trading because meddling in your trades after they are live is an emotional decision and thus it's usually the wrong thing to do. Find anything to do except watch your charts after you enter a trade. 8. I am not emotionally affected by my profits or losses. Both losses and profits have the ability to induce emotional reactions in us. A loss can cause us to want to take revenge on the market and try and make back the money we just lost. A profit can cause us to become overly confident or even euphoric, which can cause us to deviate from our trading plan and take a trade that is lower probability than what we normally would take. Either way, you have to always be on guard against making an emotional trade immediately after a trade closes out, whether it was a winner or a loser. The best thing to do is to simply remove yourself from the markets for 12 to 24 hours after any trade. 9. I try to trade with the dominant daily trend as much as possible. I know you've heard this before, and I know it's very cliché, but it's also very true. The trend is your friend. I am often amazed at how many emails I get from traders telling me they are losing money in the markets and simultaneously asking me to comment on the chart they've attached to the email that shows a counter-trend trade on the intraday charts. The easiest way to make money in any financial market is and has always been trading with the dominant trend. There are times when trading counter-trend is warranted, but until you've mastered trend trading, you should forget about counter-trend trading. Remember, don't fight the dominant daily chart trend, instead, capitalize on it and ride the momentum until it ends. 10. Instead of overtrading, I will be patient and let trading opportunities present themselves to me. Don't trade just because you feel like you have to or you want to. Make sure there's a real reason to do so and never trade when your predefined trading edge is not present. The downfall of most traders is overtrading because most traders simply don't have enough patience to trade Forex like a sniper and not a machine gunner. 11. I'm a professional trader and thus I will not engage in gambling my money in the markets. Gamblers make random bets in casinos or elsewhere, and traders who don't have trading plans or who don't follow their trading edge are also gamblers. It's really easy to click your mouse and put a trade on and hope to get lucky, kind of like pulling the arm of the slot machine at a casino. The difference is that you can actually develop and implement a high-probability trading edge like price action strategies when trading the markets. So, it's up to you if you want to be a gambler or a trader. 12. I will not interfere with my trades without just cause. This one is similar to number 8, but it's so important I wanted to touch on it again. Interfering with trades is usually an emotional reaction born out of risking too much or overtrading, both of which cause you to become overly attached to any one trade, which in turn causes you to overanalyze your trades and meddle with them once they are live. There are times when there's just cause to interfere with your trades, such as a giant pin bar reversal that forms counter to your position or some other opposing price action. However, these instances are rare, and it takes time and effort to develop your discretionary trading sense to the point where you can effectively interfere in your trades. 13. News and fundamentals will not influence my trading decisions. Traders who fall into the temptation to overanalyze the thousands of Forex news variables that occur each day usually end up losing their trading accounts pretty quickly. All market variables are reflected via the natural price movement of the market, so by analyzing and trying to figure out what's going to happen by reading economic news or watching CNBC, you're simply adding unnecessary and confusing variables to your trading approach. 14. I am happy to take a profit, and I will not be greedy. Take your profits when your targets get hit. Don't change targets in an effort to try and get just a little bit more profit. These attempts to get a little more profit are usually in vain, and they usually lead to you letting a winning trade turn into a losing trade. Traders with smaller accounts especially need to take logical profits as they come in order to build their accounts up in their confidence. If you get a 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 risk reward, there's nothing wrong with taking the money off the table. Don't fall into the trap of hoping that every trade you take goes on a parabolic run in your favor. The markets ebb and flow, meaning they don't go in straight lines for very long. 15. I invest in my trading education and myself. Investing in your own education is paramount to success in any field. Forex trading is no different, whether it's a book on trading psychology or the knowledge of an experienced Forex trading coach. Learning something each day to make yourself a better trader will only improve your edge in the markets. 16. I believe in my trading strategy completely and wholeheartedly. It's critical to your trading success that you learn and trade with a strategy that's proven and that you personally enjoy trading with. You have to follow it without deviation by remembering the fact that one loss does not mean the whole trading strategy is bad or wrong. Don't jump from one strategy or system to the next just because you stumble upon a few losing trades. Losing trades are a natural part of any trading method. The key lies in losing trades properly and making sure you are trading with a strategy that is both simple and effective, like price action. I trust that you've learned something from today's video, and I hope you watch it daily and read out the affirmations aloud to yourself every day before analyzing the markets. Eventually, they will become cemented into your thinking and will thus turn into a habitual part of your trading routine. At that point, you will have transformed yourself from a losing trader to a successful and confident one. I hope this video has been of some benefit to you because I work hard to make it so. If you have questions, leave them in the comments box below, and we will try our best to answer them in the coming videos. Again, remember to subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and once again hit that like button and the share button. Thank you for doing that. You don't know how much your support means to me. So until next time, bye.